Today we're going to be writing equations in slope-intercept form. If you want to, you can pause the video right here and read through this. Basically, we're going to be substituting the point that's given for the x and the y in slope-intercept form, find the slope-intercept, and then plug back in the slope and the y-intercept. But you can pause it and read through this if you want to. So the first example says, write an equation of a line that passes through 2, -3 and has a slope of 1/2. All right, so we know that the slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. In this point, the x is 2 and the y is -3. And this has a slope of 1/2. So we're going to plug in all those points into the slope-intercept form. So I'm going to go -3 equals 1/2 times 2 plus b. Now you have all the variables filled in except for the b. So just solve. So you got -3, 1/2 of 2 is 1, plus b. So to get the b by itself, you would subtract the 1 from both sides, and you get -4 equals b. So now I have my y-intercept and my slope, so I just go y equals mx, so 1/2 x, plus b. When I add a -4, I'm just going to put -4. And that's it. Number 2 says, write an equation of the line that passes through -3, -4, and -2, -8. The difference between this one and the first problem that we did is they don't give you the slope. So you're going to have to find that first before anything else. So slope we know is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So this is given that this is x1, y1, and x2, y2. So I'm just going to plug in those points. So I've got y2 is -8 minus y1, -4, over x2, which is -2, minus x1, -3. So that's a lot of negative signs. So I'm going to change -8 plus 4 over -2 plus 3. So I get -4 over 1. So my slope is -4. So now I have that. So I can choose either of these points to plug in slope-intercept form. I'm just going to choose the first one just because. So we use y equals mx plus b. And I'm going to use the -4 for my y. My slope we found was -4. And for x, I'm going to use that -3 plus b. So I've got -4 equals -4 times 3 is 12. 12 plus b. So to solve for the b, I'm going to subtract 12 from both sides. And that would give me -16 equals b. So all I have to do is plug in what I found for slope and my y-intercept, and I get y equals mx plus b, so -4x minus 16 as my answer. The last example I'm going to do, it says write an equation of the line that passes through 3, 0 and has a slope of 5. So they are giving us the slope right now. So we're going to write y equals mx plus b, because we're doing all of these on slope-intercept form. I know that this is my x and my y, and my slope is m. So I'm going to plug in all those points. So I have y equals m x plus b. So when I do this, I would get 0 equals 5 times 3 is 15 plus b. Subtract 15 from both sides, and I get -15 equals b. So I've got my slope and my y-intercept. So the answer is just y equals m is 5, x plus b, so -15. And that's my final answer.